This is Hi-Tech Electronics Pune make MOSFET Amplifier Trainer Kit. Here we will check the parameters of amplifier, that is gain, output impedance, input impedance, frequency response and bandwidth. So here we have used BS170 as a MOSFET. We have provided inbuilt power supply and I have connected a switch to this cord to 230 volt mains. Before starting we have to check whether this inbuilt power supply is there or not. This is ground. I will check over here. So 15 volt we have provided. We can give 12 volt or 15 volt as a supply voltage VDD. I will start performing the experiment. So first we will find out gain of this amplifier. I have applied side wave from the function generator. Frequency is around 9 kilohertz. You can apply any suitable frequency. I am applying around 10 kilohertz frequency. So I have connected input here to this cable and I am measuring the output. You have to adjust the input such that you should get maximum undistorted output. See, I have adjusted, but I will show you. Now if I increase the input, output starts clipping because amplifiers get saturated as input is excess. So I will adjust this input voltage. So now it's okay. Now I will measure first output. Divisions are 1, 2, 3. Multiplier is 2 volt. So output voltage is 6 volt. Now I will measure the input voltage. And input voltage is around 2 divisions into 0.2 volt. So gain is 15. 6 volt is the output, 0.2 volt is the input. Gain is V upon V in. So it comes around 30. So we have measured gain of this first parameter. Now we will measure input impedance. For input impedance, we have measured already output voltage, and now we will apply the input through this Rin. And measure the output voltage. You can call it as a VO dash, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.2 into 1 volt. So VO dash is 5.2 volt, and using this formula Ri equal to R. This R means this Rin into VO dash upon VO minus VO dash. You can get the input impedance. Input impedance is very high. Ideally it is infinite, but we will get in values of mega ohm in between 500k to 1 mega ohm. So we have measured input impedance also. Now we will measure the output impedance. For output impedance, again I have applied input at this terminal marked V in, and I will connect this load. And measure the output with load. See, output has dropped and output is around 1, 2, 3, 4.2 into 1 means 4.2 volt is the output. You can call this as VO double dash, and using this formula Rho equal to RL. RL means this RL into VO minus VO double dash divided by VO double dash, and this impedance, output impedance, is ideally 0, but you get in terms of ohms. So we have measured gain, input impedance, output impedance. Now we will measure frequency response and find out the bandwidth. So I have removed this. I am connecting this in normal mode. I have applied sine wave here, and now I am measuring the output voltage. So I will start from lower frequency, say around 100 Hz, and for ease of operation you can observe either sine wave or you can put in XY mode. So it is around 1.8 division into 2 volt. Now I will change frequency to 200. So it is increased. Now 500. So it is still increased. Now I will make it 1 kilohertz. So 1 kilohertz you are getting 1, 2, 3, 6 volt output. So I will make it now 5 kilohertz. So it is almost constant 6 volt. So for finding out the frequency response, you have to find out lower cutoff and upper cutoff frequency for this amplifier. So this is the maximum output. So for finding F1 and F2, you have to observe the output at 3 dB down. 3 dB down means 0.707 of this 6 voltage output. So 0.707 of 6 is around 4.2 volt. So I will go higher side, I will find out higher cutoff, then I will go to lower side. So I will start increasing the frequency and observing the output. So it is almost answered. I will go to next higher range. So it is again almost constant. I will make to more higher range now. See, this has started decreasing the output. So I have to adjust it to around 4.2. It is 1 to 2.6 hai na? So I will still go higher. It is again 2.4 only. So now it is 2.1 into 4.2 volt. So 1414 kilohertz is your F2 lower cutoff, sorry, higher cutoff. And now I will go to lower side now. So here I think you are getting 2.1 into 2 means 4.2. So lower cutoff is around 147 Hz. So F1, F2 minus F1 is your bandwidth. This is all about MOSFET amplifier. Thank you very much.